Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you about LabVIEW front panel and block diagram window toolbar. This is the front panel window toolbar. To run the VI, click to the run button. Sometime run button will be appear as a broken, which means there is a error in the VI. To rectify the error in the VI, click again the broken run button. It will display all the error list which you can rectify. Second is run continuously button. It will run the VI continuously until we pause the execution. We can click the run continuously button again to disable the continuously running of the VI. Third is abort execution button. By clicking to the abort execution button, VI will be immediately stopped. Fourth is pause button, which help to pause the execution of the VI. Fifth is text setting pull down menu. In this menu you can change the font setting of the VI, which include font size, font style, font color. Sixth is align object pull down menu. You can align the object in a vertical and horizontal manner. Seventh is distribute object pull down menu. You can change the object spacing. Eighth is resize object pull down menu, where you can resize the object of front panel window. Ninth is reorder pull down menu. In this you can move the object forward and backward or front and back. Now let's discuss about the block diagram toolbar. First four tool of the block diagram toolbar is same as the front panel toolbar. Fifth is highlight execution button. This button will show how the program is executed in the block diagram window. First click this highlight execution button and run the program. If you want to pause the highlight execution button, again click the same highlight execution button. Sixth is retain wire value button. As the name suggests, it is used to save the wire value at each and every point of execution. You can retain the wire value by placing the probe at the wire. The retained value in the probe will be the most recent value. The name represented in 7th and 8th button is start single stepping. Basically, 7th button is a step into button. It will open a node and pause. When you will click this button again, it will execute the operation and pause at the next operation. This button is step over button. It is used to execute a node and pause at the next node. Ninth is step out button. It will finish the execution of current node and pause the execution. I have already explained all of this in front panel window toolbar. The last is cleanup diagram button. It will help to look the block diagram window neat and clean. Basically, it will reroute all the wire used in the block diagram window. That's all for this video. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel.